Cracking your knuckles doesn't damage your cartilage. A doctor actually tested this on himself for 60 years, cracking the knuckles on one hand daily and never cracking the other, and found no difference in arthritis between the two hands. What causes the pop is a gas bubble. Your joints are filled with synovial fluid, and when you stretch the joint, the pressure drops suddenly, causing dissolved gases in the fluid to form a bubble, and that bubble collapsing is what you hear. The satisfying pop is just physics. It takes about 20 minutes before enough gas redissolves for you to crack the same joint again.